your baby blues, so full of wonder. Your curly cues, your contagious smile. And as I watch you start to grow up, all I can do is hold you tight, knowing clouds will rage and storms will race in, but you will be safe in my arms. Rains will pour down, waves will crash around, but you will be safe in my arms. My arms.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance.
Days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into months, with each and every second growing deeper is our love. I don't know your name, and I don't know who you are, but with each and every step you take, I will follow with my heart. Oh, you don't know how loved you already are. The world is waiting for you to make your mark. Welcome, little eyes are ready for a journey that's just begun. Spread your hands and wave your arms, and I will hold them tight. Forever and always, you are lux, you are light. Out of this world, you shine bright like a star. Benvenuto nella nostra famiglia. Gazing at you.
For you, I would like to request those in the back and side, please make yourself comfortable. Here and there as well, everybody. Are you ready? I cannot hear you. Are you guys excited? Alright. Okay, are you ready? Are we ready for the surprise, Adishi? Alright.
It's kinda hard to believe one day two will be three, and I can't stop wondering if it's a he or a she. Will he be? It's kinda hard to believe one day two will be three. And I can't stop wondering if it's a he or a she. Will he be a mama's boy, or will she be a daddy's little girl? Will he wear stylish pants, or will she style her hair with bangs? Will keep their cute nicknames and will play some fun games. Will travel around the world with every place on earth. Being blessed with heaven's favorite angel on the way to make this world incredible. Dream to make our dreams come true. Come soon, we all waiting for you. With a sweet contagious smile, whose heart beats with mine. Oh, we can't wait to make this moment with you.
I would like to say a few things today because I'm famous for not expressing through words enough. Like I'm altogether a very different person on text and in person. Thanks to my dad, I would please. We don't say I love you so often. We don't like to hug each other at all. But ever since Dora has gotten married to this person and in this family, she has changed that about herself. Jidu and his entire family are so freaking expressive that Dora probably thinks he never loved her. Not only to her, in fact, me, Cash, my parents, all of us have received so much love from the entire family all these years in forms of hugs, kisses, and blessings from Uncle Auntie, Nishtha Shinu, Nani, Nishtha, Sumit, Jyoti. It's always feels like I have received, I have earned a new family already. So, मम्मा और मैं कुछ दिन पहले बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि बेबी को इस इंसान का ये मिलना चाहिए, इसका वो मिलना चाहिए, तो इससे ये सब मिलना चाहिए. But we very carefully, after a lot of calibration, concluded कि बेबी का दिन में बिल्कुल इन बंदियों पे जाना चाहिए. अगर हम इतने बुरे नहीं हैं, पर ये लोग ज़्यादा ही अच्छे. We are so lucky that the baby that's about to come has the blend of best genes ever. Dodo's warmth, dedication, Jidu's pregnancy motherhood can be overwhelming. But I think you have been doing this your whole life. With me and Kesh, last few years Jidu. Although मेरे पैदा होने के 5 मिनट बाद ही इसने declare कर दिया था कि इसको मैं नहीं चाहिए हूँ and I should be sent back. But after a few days, she blended in her mothering instincts kicked in and she was like, ठीक है बहन है तो करना पड़ेगा. I was not an easy child to be with. I gave her several reasons to give up on me over the years. She could have easily given up on me, but she did not. In fact, it's safe to say that today, whenever she is distressed, I'm the first person she calls. We've built that over 25, 28 years.
You're telling your age.
Dodo and I, हमारा bond over the years काफी change हुआ है. We would fight so much and not talk to each other for months. But would you believe she actually calls me for advice now? I still cannot believe that it's finally happening. Everybody who knows me knows that I've been wanting this from the day she got married. And it's like I have yet not understood why or what this is, how this works, but the baby already means the world to me.
कैमरामैन शादीशु जैसे कोई वैसे फॉलो करना है, ओके? So okay. Again we are capturing the moment. Those who are voting for baby girl, can you raise your hand? All right, on the count of 1, 2, 3, let's do it. 1.
ये क्या वीडियो है?
Okay, so the first game is you have to play this baby dance. Okay, it's very simple. We have to start with it. Let's see how you say it's one paega. We just have to take the count. Three husbands will take it. Sir, we have to start with it. Yes, no. You are all together in a team. Like being Sadhu, but she just we have that. That's it. Yeah, she will count and she can't go. Like okay, sir. Ready? Yes, sir. All right. 3. Oops. Okay, be easy. Another one. I will give you 3 chances. All right. 3 chances. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very close. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Sir, it's your turn now. Sahil sir.
ये जो numbers है, points are 0. And let's see for Sahil. Everybody ready? Mr. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, very close. Guys, you have to cheer up. Oh, that close. Very close. Okay, so Sahil goes 1. Yes, that's it. Can we have the dance again, Arif? All right. 0 and 0. We request you. Okay. Who is going next? Nishta. Nishta, ready? We'll give you 3 chances, okay? 1,
one. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very close, Nishtha. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Go for it. Oh! Everybody should cheer. Come on. Big round of applause for Nishtha. Nishtha won. Okay, can we get... No, Sahil, thoda easy. Okay. Sahil again won. That's it. 3 chance. That's it. 3 chance. But it's fine. But 3 chance. Yes, why not? Can we have the darts again? Miss Priya? Very close. Oh. Okay, done. Thanks, Priya. Manoj, another one is Akash. Let's start with Akash. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Whoa. Easy. Very close. Again. Okay. Thank you, Akash. 0. Your name is? Sheena, let's start with you. Thank you so much. Let's start again. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, nice. That. Very nice. Last one. Oh, very close. Your name is? Manpreet. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Go for it. Another one. Oh. Let's give it one more try. Thank you so much. It's okay. It's fine. So yes, we'll give you another one. And again, okay? Sahil. Kitne Sahil hai? Even I don't know. 1. Easy, upar. 2. 1 more, last chance. 3. Okay, thank you, Sahil. 0. Sahil, how many Sahils are? Sachin, na pakka. You guys are making me confused. Arey, aap das aa jao. Aapki bari hai next, okay? Let's start. Sachin. Okay, Sachin. Oh, very close. Oof. 1. And you have only 1 chance, okay? Go for it. 1, 2, 3. Close. Okay, only 1 chance. Sachin, count only 1. Sachin score 1. And Bhumika is here for another round. There we go. Nice. Easy on the dot. मैम वो सही कह रहे हैं, पर सोच लो. Oh, here we go. Oh, वो तो सीधा पूल में चला गया. Relax. पूल वाले balloons नहीं burst करने हैं. Oh, on point. Wonderful. Who is coming next? 1. Another chance. Okay, again. Second chance. Oh, very close. Thank you. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Oof. वो burst हो गया मैम. Relax. Yes. Oh, Mama, burst to it? No, we cannot count it. Balloon is not there. No, even not 0.5. Sorry. We have balloons over there. Nice. Thank you. Karan. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, very close. No. Okay, thank you, Karan. Sumit. We really have to count. Okay. Very nice. 1, 2. Closest. Oh, okay, done. Count it. Yes, 1. 0.1. Yes, 0.1. Okay, you want to try? Thank you. Cutest Masia. Okay, ma'am, thoda piche. No cheating. No. No, cheating. Thank you. Last one.
for it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Easy. One more. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Second chance. Last chance. Ooh. Okay, thank you. Once very close. Can I close? Thank you. Thank you. Done. 3. Oh, easy. Second chance. Nice. Last chance. Oof, very close. Thank you, guys. You can see a cardboard over here, and for the pink, it's left. That you all have to do. Okay? Everybody should come around and please place the feather. Thank you. Go, Nishtha. Count 1. मैं लिखती हूँ आपके लिए, मुझे बताओ. Yes, come on, go. Easy, very nice. Last one. Yes. Oh. Okay, Nishtha, please come here. The other couple should be here for diaper pond game. Can you please come here, Nishtha? Where is your Mr. Sahil? And I can't help it. Okay, it's fine. Sahil, stay, relax. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 chances for each other. Okay, 3 chances for like both of you. Let's see. और आपको क्या करना है, sir? You have to count your wife's number. Look at the numbers. I'll tell you. This is with 5 points. Another one have 25. So you just have to club it, and we'll see the couple में से कौन सा निष्ठा या फिर साहिल. जिनका yes. You have the 3. Okay. Go for it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, near one. Last chance. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can we call some more girls? Give me the names. Sonia, I request you to please come forward. Sonia, Neha, right? Acha, Bhumika, Manpreet. Can you stand opposite to each other? Just make a pair. Come on.
Just in case I have a nephew.
Come on, go easy. Go for it. Come on. You can do it. Very nice. Good girls. Go for it. Very nice. Oh, you can do it. Come on. Be specified. Lovely. Take it out. Easy. Smooth. Here. Oh my God. Come on. Let's start again. Come on. There we go. Come on. Very nice. Just take it out easily. Yes. Wonderful. Go for it. Easy. Go for it. Go slow. Don't touch. Come on, go slow. Very nice. Go for it. Come on. Very nice. Oh, no. Easy. Go for it. Come on. Girls, you can do it. Come on. Quickly. Come on. You can do it. Very nice. Easy. Just try to push it. Very nice. Oh my God. Start again. Very nice. Just go slow. Steady, guys. Relax. You just bend on. Yes, very nice, girls. Go for it. Another one. Easy. Arey, you have to start again, girls. Come on, Jyoti, you can do it. Easy. Go easy, guys. No, don't touch it. No, cheating. Very nice. Yes, face down, and there we go. Here we go. No. Don't fall. Surprising, you have stopped there. Right. Easy, girls. Come on, easy. Here we go. Again, top. Oh my God. Yes, they are almost winner over here. Come on. No. Don't touch your hands. No cheating. No. Try to pass it easy. Without. You have to bend down. Easy. Easy. Yes. Go slow. No, don't touch. Otherwise, you will be like disqualified. Try. Very nice. Go easy. Very nice. Last one. Very good. Very nice. They were about to win, guys. Come on. No, don't touch. Otherwise, you will be disqualified. Last two. Easy. Go for it. Yes. Very nice. Guys, okay, come here. Team B, come here. We have to cheer for the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely, you guys. The winner is Team B. We have to spin the wheel, and another is like see the ABC backwards, like not ABC, Z, Y, X, okay? And we have to do another thing over here. It's recommended like 10 baby names. You have to recommend like 10 baby names. Repeat 5 times baby busy building block. Right? It's just a tongue twister. And another is like act like a baby. You really have to sit down and act like a baby. Simple. And recite a nursery rhyme if you really remember it. Okay. Give mom to be a baby advice. The moms are here, those already have moms. You can give a pro advice to the mom too, okay? And sing a lullaby. I hope कि जितनी girls हैं आप लोग को आता होगा, especially the ladies. And that's it. So can we start? Sahil and all, everybody please come here. Come on, come here, let's do this. Sahil will start with you, okay? Cheating कैसे? If you do the exact act, if you do the exact activity, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Spin the wheel. Little slow so it can be stopped easily. No, don't slow it down. No, it's fine. No. What you have to do is you have to repeat 5 times. It's a tongue twister. Let me just read it for you. Busy baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks. Okay? Busy baby building blocks. 5 times without watching it. Ready?
Busy building baby blocks. Busy building baby blocks. Busy baby. Busy baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks.
So, let me tell you, it's a winner game for you, okay? Everybody, can you clap for it? Come on! Lovely! Okay, next one. Sir, it's your turn. Please spin it slowly so we can just quickly see it. Slow, let's go. आपने बॉटल की दिशा बिगाड़ दी है. Okay, see? ABC backwards. Yes, you can do it. Let's start. Everybody, please cheer for it.
Help कर दो यार. Z, Y, X, W, N, M, N.
Out. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. Anybody else will come? You have to spin the wheel first. Okay, ready? Not bottle, yaar. Take your chai. Let's see. Say the ABC backwards. Say no. It was there. No, don't push it. Come on, yaar. It is. नहीं, मैं बता देता हूँ. It was stop there. No cheating at all. Say ABC backwards.
यार मुझे ABC सीधी भी नहीं आती. Same man, bro. Fine. सीधी बोले. फिर से.
मैं आपको 4 सीधी बोलो. दूध की बॉटल मिल जाएगी. But if you say it exactly, then the point. How many letters in ABC? How
Baby building blocks. Busy baby building blocks. Busy building
Okay, so you have to recite a nursery rhyme if you know the rhyme. Humpty Dumpty, I can give it a clue.
Johnny and Papa eating sugar no Papa telling a lies. Ha ha ha.
Of course, come on now. Eating a mouth, ha ha ha. Okay, go for it. No. Okay, give mom baby to be a device. Protect होनी चाहिए mom. Still, she can give you the advice. Mom होने के लिए अब advice उनके पास है. क्या देना चाहोगे? Baby के लिए, the baby to be like the mom to be के लिए advice. So sweet. So you get a little cute bottle, okay? So this can go with you because you have already tried it. Thank you, everybody. Cheer for her. Come on. Alright, you have to listen for baby if you know how to listen. Adishri, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for the ice break. Thank you, Adishri. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this wonderful.
येलो, दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो।
चढ़ चढ़ के चौबार करवना सी तू अज्जा मारे
Anarkali Viscosity. Anarkali Viscosity. हो गया जट दा पजामा मुड़े उच्चा हो गया जट दा पजामा मुड़े उच्चा हो गया
मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना सेñorita चाहत के दो पल भी निभाए दुनिया में भी हम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedican, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमान पीदा सकता है señorita ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है señorita मुझसे अब नजर न फेरो आओ पास तुम मेरे मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए क्या señorita सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता नवी नु देखदा पराडा फिक्रे तो लगदी टीनू एक बारी दस दो जी निकल शकीनू